Well, here it is at this point in its restoration. Pulled off the front end, all the front guards, the engine's out, gearbox out. As you can see, there's some surface rust, but other than that, everything else looks to be pretty good. The sills do have a bit of rust down the sides. Bottom of the doors have some rust, but nothing really too bad. All the front end seems to be sound. Also inside the car, if we can get a good look, the only real point of rust is over on the bottom of the A-pillar, I suppose. The floors, although they have surface rust, are all intact. Same with the boot. The other point of concern and requiring repair is the window edge and a slight part of the inner frame of the dashboard. Even the airbox is still intact, no holes. So hopefully this will be a fairly painless exercise. However, you never know what you're going to come across. So stay tuned for the next one.